Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel or you have seen this face for the first time, my name is Ugochukwu Ezinne and I really appreciate you for clicking in. So in this particular video today, I'll be sharing with you guys this magical Asian anti-aging remedy that I learned about, and it's so nice. It's so helpful. It is going to make you to age backwards. It's not basically going to remove any number from your age. Don't think about that. It's not going to remove any number. If you are 30, you are 30. If you are 50, you are 50. If you are 60, you are 60. But it's actually going to make you look younger in your physical appearance, in your skin. Okay, so it's going to make you look 18 or to look 20 even when you are 30. It's going to make you to have this kind of baby skin, baby smooth, supple, and soft skin, bright looking skin, and is 100% natural. This remedy is going to make you look younger and younger even when you are older in number. Okay, did you feel that right? So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get into preparation. Okay, first of all, I'll be peeling my already washed and dried potato, so just follow the process as I do so. Don't skip any part of the video so that you don't skip a vital or a very important information or process. Just washed my face with warm water, and I'm going to go ahead to apply this mixture on my face right now. what you are going to do is to allow this to sit on your skin, on your face, for like 15 to 20 minutes or until dried. Then wash with warm water. You can apply this particular mask on your hands, or any other part of your skin. So it's not only for your face, and it's 100% natural.
A few minutes later.
At this point, my skin feels so smooth, soft and fresh. Like, touching it feels so good. And yeah, you can go ahead and try it. It's very good. It is a very good mask for anti-aging, for wrinkles, for fine lines, and it help you to have brighter skin. So I went ahead to apply my vitamin C serum, and afterwards I also applied my sunscreen. I don't joke with my sunscreen, especially when I am going out to the sun. So you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer or whatever you have as a moisturizer, just to not allow your face to go dried after the masking. So guys, thank you if you have watched to this extent. I really appreciate you. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share to your friends so that they will also get to try this mask. It's very good, it feels good on the skin, and it's very effective and safe for use. 100% natural. Yeah, and don't forget again your sunscreen. Don't forget to moisturize your face afterwards, okay, so that you will feel the freshness to the fullness. Okay, so guys, don't forget to stay safe out there also, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And thank you as you watch till the end to see the end results. Remember to stay safe out there. I've said it before. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.